Bonjour, bonsoir. Bienvenue, welcome to Juju Harmony. Nous saluons chaque monde qui est déjà là avec nous, qui est déjà abonné avec nous. Welcome pour une autre vidéo encore. Jeudi, nous venons avec une nouvelle vidéo pour je que nous déjà connaissons Juju Harmony. Apporter bon petit manger, bon petit bagay senti bon pour la caillou, pour capable manger. Et c'est ça que nous portons pour aujourd'hui. Jeudi, ça que nous portons pour nous porter ça qui est le Quesadilla. Quesadilla, ça ou capable nous gagne chicken qui a pre-cooked là-dedans. Et puis ou capable que nous gagne tortilla, nous gagne flour tortilla. As you can see, flour tortilla. Et nous gagnons Mexican shredded cheese. Nous utilisons brin qui est Velveeta. Ok? Pour nous faire quesadilla ça que nous besoin ça qui est le seasoning là, nous utilisons fajita seasoning et puis nous utilisons lemon pepper from Dash. As you can see, it's salt free. For those that don't like a lot of salt in your food, which is, I always say that salt is not good for you. And we also have another California style lemon pepper. And we have Italian herb seasoning. We use Italian herb seasoning, and we also have another salt-free from Mr. Dash. Again, that is the Southwest Chipotle. I'm sorry, Southwest Chipotle. And the next thing we have here for you is we have jalapeno slices for those that like spicy. I mean, of course, it is better when it's spiced a little bit. You can put the amount that favor you. If you don't like a lot of spice, that's up to you. You don't have to put a lot of it, but again, you can put as much that you eat. So right now what we are doing, we're cooking the chicken, and now we just add the white onion. For those, I don't know what kind of onions you like, you can add yellow. Is that a yellow onion? Yes. Yeah, yellow onions. You can add yellow onions, and you can add the red onions. Again, it is your taste. Whatever you like, you can add to it. And while we're cooking this, we want to thank everyone that's already subscribed. And if you haven't done so, I encourage you to go ahead and subscribe to Juju Harmony channel. Please. We want your support, because without you, we're doing this for nothing. And I encourage you to go ahead and like, comment below, and subscribe, and share with a friend and a family member to the channel. Okay, and I also want to thank everyone that been sharing our channel. As you see, it's not been long since we create the YouTube channel for you guys, so we want to bring more entertainment to you guys. And to bring more entertainment, we are planning of having a lot of different stuff for you guys, not only cooking, which I'm going to make a video. And for those that is wonder who's behind the camera and everything, so soon you're going to see who's behind the camera. So please subscribe, so you will know more about me personally. And because I will make a video talking about me, about myself, and maybe my family. So I encourage you to like and subscribe to the channel. Okay. Right now we are adding some green pepper, and we're about to add some red pepper. White simoyo, ça c'est piment douce vert. Nous mettez les oignons avec chicken nan qui a cuit dans chaudière. Ok, so nous allons voir la prendre poulet dans la cuite là. Nous allons mettre ail là-dedans. C'est vraiment chicken nan que nous mettons avec bell pepper qui a cooked so far. Okay. And if you have any requests or something that you would like to see how we make it, how we do it, you can always comment below, make your request, and I will try to work on it. Okay, me and my friend, we will, that's my partner in crime. We will work on it, and soon you guys will see her, and we have a prank video for her. She don't like to be pranked, but we will prank her one day. And we haven't posted any of our prank video yet because again, I know I just started this for you guys and I've been posting videos every other day, so I had to take a break from posting every other day. So I'm gonna come back with posting more video for you guys, video about our personal life for you that will wonder who are those ladies and what do those ladies do. You will know soon. And right now she is adding the seasoning into it. She just put the chipotle, the Southwest chipotle, and she is adding the lemon pepper. Lemon pepper, look at this, guys. Isn't it look good already? Yes, yes, yes. And it does smell delicious. I'm being honest, it smells really delicious, as you can see. It's so beautiful. So beautiful. Let me give you guys a close look. Okay. Now we're adding the, which one is that? The fajita. There's some other one. This one have more ground pepper. This one have more ground pepper in it, guys. Some people have trouble with spicy food. Well, don't get me wrong, I used to love spicy food. I used to really enjoy spicy food. Like, I used to really eat, like, I don't know, a lot of my Haitian might know this, when you eat zaboka with pima, avocado with spicy. And I used to love that because I'm a big fan of avocado. And I used to, you know, I used to eat it a lot. I think now that I'm getting older, it just doesn't fit me no more. So I go very easy on it to just prevent it. I mean, I know a lot of people also have the same problem when they eat spicy. Some people, it give you a stomach ache. Some people, they have trouble going to the bathroom. A lot of people have different problem on it. So me, I have my problem. I have my reason. And you know what? I'm getting old. So therefore, I just don't want to use a lot of spice no more. See, she just put 1 teaspoon because she knows. She will add more to hers. Don't trust me.
Yeah, for sure.
Trust me, she will, because she loves spicy. If I just said no, I might just want to put the camera already and start eating. You guys. And don't forget to comment below. I like to know how other people do them. The different foods, like how you create yours, how you make yours. If you care to comment, please comment and let me know below how you make your quesadilla. To see it's almost done. Almost done. We're gonna let it cook for 5 or 10 minutes. 5 to 10 minutes. Then it should be ready. And right now we are preparing a tortilla. I don't know how many of you guys that had what is that commercial? It actually chichichilla, yeah. It's actually chichichilla. But I just say tortilla. Welcome to Juju Harmony. Welcome. Welcome. Okay. Right now she have this part on the other hand. As you can see, she is spraying the Palm original, and she's putting it down. Guys, if you guys have kids would love this. Every kid love this. I have 2 boys. They absolutely love this. Is adding the cheese in this. She's adding the Mexican cheese, and we had another cheese, which is cheddar. Cheddar cheese, yeah, cheddar cheese. Lord, she just added the cheddar cheese. If you wanna do it with beef, with shrimp, you can do it with different meat. That's up to you. You see how she's making it with love, guys. With love. Making it with love. And if you wanna bake it, you have a toaster. With us, we use the stove. But if you wanna toast it under the oven, or if you have a steamer that you just want to put it under there and let it like toast, you can always do that. All you need to do, instead of her, you see how she's handmade it, like pressing on it, instead of doing that, you could always like get something like metal heavy and just put it in there and put it in the oven for a few minutes, like 3 to 5 minutes until it get crispy and you can see that brown in there. So I mean, again, it's up to you how you like it, how crispy you like it, and here we go. But as you see right now, we did it on the stove. Oh no, you need more chicken in this. What's that you see in the kitchen that doing? I guess you better back and receive from bullet. You guys see this? doesn't take a long time, guys, to do it. And if you wanna use the wheat, of course you can always do it with it. You can always choose your flavor tortilla to do it with. I know a lot of people, they like veggie wrap. You can always do it with it. Daisy sour cream. Daisy sour cream. Woo! Daisy sour cream. I just want to eat already, guys. I just want to eat. You see the color of it now? It's turning light brown. And you can see the cheese, how it melted. Again, for faster, you can always just put it under the oven and wait for it. And boom, boom, boom. It's make it easy. But again, it's faster, but again, we just wanted to show you guys how it really looks and all that. Please, if you haven't subscribed yet, do so right now. Just press. So pour abonner avec channel là, pour capable abonner avec channel là. S'il vous plaît, abonnez. Please subscribe. Yes, I'm gonna let you show it. We're gonna let you see it. It's hot. It's hot. It's hot. Okay. Alright, let me show you guys what it looks like. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Look at this. Look at the cheese, the chicken in there. It's all yummy. Let me tell you guys. Guys, it is so good. You see that? See that hers with daisy cheese? But me, I don't want daisy cheese. Hey guys. Oh my god, it's hot. I'm eating. It is so good. It is really, really good, guys. Okay? It is really good. Again, we were in the kitchen making quesadilla. Thank you so much for watching. Please, if you haven't subscribed, do so right now, so you know you can find out more things that we have coming up for you. Thank you. See you guys next time. I love you all. Bye-bye.